Yeah, MetaLi is a new spin-off from UCLA. So it's based on the technology, how to utilize nanotechnology to transform metal manufacturing industry, especially how to utilize the new development in nanotechnology, nanoscience into metallurgy. Right, we solved a problem, long-time challenge for how to disperse nanoparticle into molten metal for casting for mass production. Like one of the first products our company utilize this new direction is welding wire and rods. And we can weld traditional unweldable material like aerospace 7075, 7050, 2024. Right, so we use the materials to really address solidification cracking problem, and then we can make it very sound weld, and they also make 3D printing technology became viable for high strength materials such as 7075. So I would say this technology not only limited to aluminum, it's just beginning. Any metals combined with nanotechnology will be the one for the future. I can see in the next 5 to 20 years, this will become mainstream, like became in the metal industry. We will make the metal industry become sunrise, high profit, and mass production again. So with that, we just showcase the tip of iceberg, right, of this new direction. Is a true revolutionary movement for nanotechnology into mass production for metals. And the potential, I would say, is infinite.